Dude, show me your nips.
Do it for YouTube, bro. There's no one doing it for the gram anymore. What's up, bro? Can't slow down Oh, what the fuck?
Oh shit, sorry guys. Sorry everyone. I'm just gonna go to Snapchat, I think.
It's going on YouTube, even worse.
Oh, okay.
Let's stay in. Got the Genesis in here. It's getting some katanas, some winners, studded. Dave's throwing a level in this thing. Scott's just chilling here.
Dinner now.
Right? Oh, is he? Okay, one second. Katanas that have been going on there. You mind if we post it on our Facebook page?
Not at all.
You guys, we just finished up the setup on this Jeep. We got some fuel vapors, 20x9 with a 0 offset wrapped in some 305, 55, 20 Wrangler duratrac. Looks pretty good. You got a bit of poke, nothing too crazy. If you wanted to be a little bit more aggressive, I'd go with probably some -12s and then change up your rubber. So overall, not a bad setup at all. Ooh. Nice. Stuck in the middle of the road here.